Tyranny rules when, the good people remain silent, and poverty reigns when those who are endowed with resources are selfish. Unemployed youth, as journalists, that, our youth need jobs.
Your kind is what our nation needs to do us back home.
We've had all these before.
We are very determined to rewrite the script this time around. Yes, and amen to that.
I'm an investigative journalist. I have an important piece of information that threatens the project you and the foreign investors want to undertake in your assembly.
But what kind of information?
Not so fast, sir. Look, it costs me time and money.
Information is very vital to the position you hold.
You're a journalist. You owe it a duty to yourself and the state to investigate and publish your work without asking for a fee.
I'm ready, Danny. I know what Danny will be.
No.